always demonstrates a winning attitude and consistently exceeds expectation. Her proficiency in data analysis is only surpassed by her excellent communication skills. Oh!
You're a cunning linguist.
You're a dirty bird.
Red or white, darling?
I'll stick with red, eh?
Cab Sav, Pinot. Oh, hang on. Shiraz.
I saw Mike Panisi today at the cafe where I get my lunch.
Shit. Did he see you?
We grabbed a coffee together.
You what?
It was fine.
Frankie, that's a breach of your parole.
Well, I'm back staying with you, isn't?
Well, what if he reports you?
He won't. He was good. You know, it helped us, Gidge. I feel like a weight's been lifted. I feel free.